Hey everyone, we are currently at Auto Plate Division APD crew, and well, tough to say. It's a very unexpected day today with this kind of lineup. So firstly, we have all these JDMs and a supercar. Well, this YouTube channel wouldn't be complete, wouldn't be right without a supercar. So here we have the 600Lt Spider. Very cool with the black calipers. Spider. And yeah, the famous part of the 600Lt is the exhaust, where it's mounted on top, and the spit fires too. Look at the valves. You see the valves? See if you can see right over there. It's currently raining, but just a quick video. 600Lt from the back. The first in the lineup is Evo MR. Very cool spec. I think this is almost stock with the Brembo calipers, stock MR rims. Very nice in silver. And next to it is R35. I think this is a 2014. But this is the exhaust is quite standard though, and the headlights too. So I believe this must be a 2014 35. I'm not sure if you guys call this a JDM, but it's okay. It's from Japan as well. Next up, we have this 34 GTT next to a 34 GTR. So this is a GTT. Quite nicely done though for a GTT. And here we have a GTR. Common spec, but I think it still looks beautiful. It just got the Nismo rims installed. Very nice. Take a peek in the interior there. So next to it, RX-7. Missing the pop-up headlights though. Would have been cooler if I had the pop-up headlights. And here the EG6, I believe. Should be EG6. Take a quick look from the front here. Oh my god. Quite a lineup today though. Saturdays used to be very packed here, but you know this. Oh my god. Okay, this is a different level kind of packed. We love this. Let's head to the back of the cars, where you can actually choose your wings from here. Wing point. RX-7, the GTR, the GTT, GTR R35.
This guy you never upload. He actually stalking our IG. He waiting for you to upload. You see how come all this guy inside, but his guy is not in there.
guess that's a wrap for today. Quite an unexpected turnout today. Never expected this to happen. But yeah, if you like this kind of content, please do subscribe, leave a like and comment down below which is your favorite car in this lineup. And I'll see you again in the next video. Ciao.